The main concept is preparing and talking out loud and using your speech material for your practice. I always prepare in front of my dogs. Yes. I do talk to myself when I'm driving. I even talk to myself while I'm exercising, doing an inversion table. I hang upside down and have my speech in front of me. Which is I've been in this for a long time, and I hadn't had a really major situation just because I was confident and I backed down from situations that I knew were going to cause problems or your gut instinct would kick in. I would back off. I'm like, yeah, this guy's going to be, I'm not messing with this guy. Looks like he might be trouble. I'm just walking away, walk away, walk away. But the goal is the second someone's arms comes around you, you want to react, space and base as well, and get out of there. Turn around, attack, push away. You don't want to stay and fight. I love who I am. And I'm worth it. And I'm number one. All those things are super important. If you love yourself, you love others, other people will love you back. When we're young kids, bullying is one of the worst things that can happen. Majority of people I've known been bullied significantly. I, for one, from the ages of 5 years old to 12 years old. And I was called Four Eyes. But if I put these fashionable glasses on, what do you think? I get a good laugh. Yes. Now that you have honed and coped with your social anxiety and performance anxiety, you can celebrate with pizza. There you go.